Hi, this is Jennifer, and this is my assistant Abby.
Hi.
And today we are going to make some origami corner bookmarks. They're super easy and fun, good thing to do for a rainy day. So, first thing you need is some supplies. We've got lots of paper here. We've got some markers, scissors, glue. You can decorate them with lots of things. We've got some wiggly eyes here. First, you're going to choose one piece of paper. You're going to need a square piece of paper, but we can trim it to be a square if it doesn't start off as a square. So I'm going to pick,
I like this one.
You've got one that looks pretty square. I'm going to pick this blue one that's more of a rectangle. So your first fold is going to be to fold this piece of paper into a triangle. So you're just going to go kind of point to point to get a triangle and trim off the extra.
Wait, like this?
Fold it in half so you have a triangle shape. There you go, or as close as you can. And then you just trim off whatever doesn't fit in that triangle, the extra. You got it close to a triangle over there?
Yes.
Okay.
There we go. And then I cut off this
And then
stuff.
you just put this in your scrap paper. Yeah. Yep. Okay, good. Okay, so now you should have a triangle with a fold at the bottom and a point at the top.
Okay.
Then you're going to take the two side points and fold them up to the top point. So one. Looks like the cat wants to make one. One side, and then we're going to fold up the other side.
So it's gonna look like a square.
So now you got, right, a square. You can make a nice sharp fold if you want. So it looks nice and neat. There we go. Okay, so we have a triangle, now we have our square. We're gonna unfold it so it looks like a triangle again. And then your top point, there should be two layers. You're gonna take one layer and fold the top point down to the bottom. And then fold that guy across.
Okay.
Good. Then you're going to take the side points again and fold them back up and tuck them in. On one side. And we got Did you get both your sides already?
Yeah, they're in there.
Alright. Get them all tucked in nice. And that's your basic bookmark. So, if you want to save your place at your book, it just fits right in there on the corner. But now the fun part, you get to decorate. So you can make yours look like whatever you want, really.
I want googly
I had a
eyes.
little, here, I want googly eyes. I
Yes.
started this guy's mouth, a little teeth, some eyes going. You just have to decorate now and have some fun with it, okay? Have a great rainy day, you guys.
Bye.
See you soon.